Here's in this video we will learn how to fix if Snapchat notifications not working on iPhone. Here's I will show some method to fix it. So now let's begin. First of all, open the Snapchat on your iPhone. Once you are here, then tap on your Bitmoji at the left top corner. This would open up your profile. Next here, tap on settings icon at the right top corner. Here, simply tap on notifications. In notifications, simply tap toggle on for all notifications. So that's how you can fix it. Next, we'll show second method. For this method, first of all launch the settings app on your iPhone. In settings, tap on notifications. Next, scrolling down to below, and you will need to tap on Snapchat. Here, if it toggle turn off, then turn it on in front of allow notifications. Then open banner style. Here, select the option temporary. Next, tap on show previews. Here, select always default option. That's how you can fix it. Now we'll show next method. For this, first of all open the settings app on your iPhone. Next here, scrolling down to below, and you will find Snapchat. Tap on it. Now tap on notifications. Now here, tap toggle on for allow notifications. Then tap on show preview. Here, select the option always. Now we'll show next method. So now let's begin. First of all, open the App Store on your iPhone. Now go to search and search for Snapchat app. So simply update your Snapchat app from App Store. If still you can't fix problem, then use the last method. So the last method is here. Simply tap on Snapchat and hold for a while. Then delete the app and reinstall it so that you can fix the problem. Hope that this will help you.